just wanted to show you guys this little setup I just configured for this season. So it's a 1-inch banjo ball valve, like a 3-way banjo ball valve. So here's your inlet. This is a line going to the Hudson valve. And there's a line going to just a bulkhead with nothing else on it. So I could choose whether I want to stop the incoming water or continuously fill it. Or if I'm in a situation where the water is taking a little while to fill, I'll just turn it to go that side and just have the tank fill up with no restriction. So everything's all 1 inch. So this is 3/4 cam and groove. Well, I have the groove on this garden hose, so that'll plug into here. 3/4 thread to 1 inch to go up to fill. I just select what valve I want to use. I'm rebuilding my skids right now. Got a lot done in the last few hours. Got all the garden hose up, the bypass hose, all the soft wash plumbing is done. Flow Pro, my fire extinguisher. Definitely have a fire extinguisher on your rig. All the hose is here. And this is also something else pretty cool that I configured. So SH goes into this 3-way. Now I have the option to A, flush it, which is this line. B, pull SH. So most of the time I'm just going to be using it to pull. But when I want to transfer chem onto my truck, what I'm going to do is I'll take this banjo out. I'll put another banjo on it with the drop stick to come like right here. So I'll have my drum usually here, pulling it from the drum. I'll go through the manifold. And what I can do to bypass it all going through 200 feet of hose is I set this up. So I put a groove on the end of the manifold, cam lock this, and then this line will go here because this is coming from the pump, right? So I want it to fill that tank. So it'll just go directly on like that. Don't have to run any bleach through the hose, and it's perfect. I hope this helps somebody. Wash on.